Want to know the exact sales process top MSMEs use to close more deals faster? It's just 4 steps and I am breaking them down for you. Hi, I am Abhinishon Bera, an MSME growth strategist and sales coach, and this is the AI-powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real-world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight. Before we dive into the steps, let's explore why having a defined sales process is critical for MSMEs. Number 1 is consistency. A clear process ensures every lead is handled systematically, reducing errors and inefficiencies. Number 2 is scalability. A defined system can grow with your business without becoming chaotic. And number 3 is customer centricity. It keeps your focus on solving customer problems, not just making a sale. Here is a statistic. According to research, businesses with a structured sales process are 33% more likely to achieve their sales targets compared to those without one. Now, let's dive into the 4-step sales process followed by high-performing MSMEs. Step 1 is lead qualification, that is identifying the right prospects. High-performing MSMEs don't waste time chasing unqualified leads. They focus their efforts on prospects who are most likely to convert. Now, how it works? Use a qualification framework like BANT, budget, authority, need, and timeline to evaluate prospects, and segment leads into categories such as high priority, follow-up, and nurture. Here is an example for MSMEs in B2B selling. A distributor of industrial sensors qualifies leads by ensuring they have the budget and decision-making authority. This prevents their sales team from spending time on leads that cannot make a purchase decision. Here is a pro tip. Invest in a CRM to automate lead scoring and prioritize prospects based on engagements. Step 2. Discovery. Understanding customer needs. Once a lead is qualified, the next step is to uncover their pain points, goals, and priorities. This phase is about building trust and gathering insights. Now, how it works? Ask open-ended questions to identify challenges. Focus on listening more than pitching. Here is an example for system integrators. If you are offering automation solutions, ask questions like, what's your biggest bottleneck in production? What metrics do you want to improve? Understanding these pain points allows you to present tailored solutions. Pro tip: document your findings in your CRM to ensure personalized follow-ups. Step 3. Solution presentation. Aligning with customer goals. In this step, you present your product or service as a solution to the customer's problem. High-performing MSMEs focus on value over features. Now, how it works? Tailor your pitch to address the customer's specific pain points. Use data, case studies, or testimonials to build credibility. Here is an example for a service-based MSMEs. If you are a consulting firm, show how your strategy helped a similar client increase revenue by 20% in 6 months. Here is a pro tip. Keep the presentation concise and focus on outcomes that matter to the customer. Step 4 is follow-up and close. Build relationships beyond the sale. High-performing MSMEs understand that follow-ups are crucial for closing deals. They also focus on nurturing relationships post-sale for repeat business. How it works? After the presentation, follow up within 24 to 48 hours to address concerns and gauge interest. Once the deal is closed, maintain engagement through regular check-ins or updates. Here is an example for manufacturers. A mid-sized manufacturer offering custom packaging solutions sends follow-up emails highlighting success stories and offering ongoing support. Here is a pro tip. Automate follow-ups using tools like HubSpot, but personalize them to show genuine interest in the customer's success. Now, let me dive into the benefits of the 4-step process. When you implement these steps, you can expect first higher conversion rates by focusing on qualified leads and tailored solutions. Number 2, shorter sales cycles. A systematic approach reduces delays and confusion. And number 3 is stronger relationships. Personalized interactions foster trust and loyalty. Now I'll deal with few common pitfalls to avoid. First is skipping lead qualification. Not all leads are worth pursuing. Number 2 is overloading customers with information. Focus on what matters to them. Number 3, neglecting post-sale engagement. Repeat business comes from ongoing relationships, not one-off sales. Now, here is a use case I have created applying the 4-step process. This is an imaginary use case, and the scenario is like this. A small system integrator offering industrial IT solutions struggles with long sales cycles and low conversion rates. And what's the action plan could be used? Number 1 is they should do lead qualification. Use a CRM to prioritize leads based on industry and readiness to invest. Number 2 is discovery. Schedule in-depth calls to understand each client's production challenges. Number 3, solution presentation. Highlight how IoT solutions can reduce downtime by 25% using case studies for credibility. And 4 is follow-up. Send personalized emails summarizing the discussion and offering a demo. Now, if this imaginary company does it, and what's the outcome they can think for? Within 6 months, the integrator can reduce their sales cycle by 30% and double their conversion rates. So, the key takeaways and final thoughts. A well-defined sales process is the backbone of any high-performing MSME. By focusing on lead qualification, understanding customer needs, presenting tailored solutions, and nurturing relationships, you can create a system that consistently delivers results. Remember, the goal isn't just to close deals, it's to build trust, solve problems, and create lasting value for your customers. Start by auditing your current sales process, identify gaps, and implement the 4-step framework we discussed today. Small changes can lead to significant results over time. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful videos every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven MSME growth webinar. The link is right in the description below. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.